pop up again. Oh, this is my right one too, so that'll be good. I mean, definitely.
Come on, Mario.
So I'm gonna do that. Nice.
Yeah! Sick, dude.
Yep.
It's happening. It's happening. It's going to.
That was good.
Yeah, but where am I going?
You got, yeah. It's right above you, the chalk spot. Your better feet are actually out right for this top
So
out.
knob.
Yeah, nice and slow. There you go. They're all kind of slopey, but they're good. Up and to your left, there's going to be a crack, and it's going to be really good. Stand up out of this.
That's kind of weird.
There you go.
I feel like that's
Nice. You got a spot.
Out left.
Yeah, dude, my foot just stuck in there.
Yeah, let's chop.
What else do I have?
Yeah, feet out
Over left.
Yep.
Yeah, you're on it, buddy.
That's,
Big
you're
foot.
solid on it. It's on it.
Just keep moving that way. You've got it, Mario. I'm on you.
Nice. Come on.
Fuck yeah, buddy. Good mantle. Pull that foot up. Come on.
Nice,
Yes,
dude.
sir.
Come on.
Oh! Holy fuck! Good shit.
So I was right. You just pretty much.